For mean heart rate, which of the following is the best interpretation of this confidence interval?
Do you want to just open up the quiz, open up the group meeting quiz, because it's the exact same?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
doing.
I've got it up.
It's just like numbering wise, it's like one off, so
Yeah.
same page.
Yeah. Confident the true.
So number 2 is A, right?
Correct. Well, that's
Yeah.
what I got.
We're 90% confident the true mean falls between those two. Yeah.
Right.
Researchers decided to construct.
On number 2, I put B.
That's what I put.
Yep.
That
So just to be sure, I don't think they changed the order of them, but the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal since the data have been determined to be normal.
Yeah.
because they make a QQ plot to make sure it works.
Yep.
I finally gave in and bought SPSS today. I couldn't find any more trials.
Oh man.
How much was it? Like, it's like $40, right?
Yeah, it was like 45, something like that.
Yeah.
It is nice to have.
Yeah, I wish it was like a you have it forever thing though. It's like $45 for like 6 months.
The first time I took it, it was like a disc, like a program, like you didn't download.
Yeah.
And so I was just able to use like my friends, but then I gave it back to him after I had used it for the semester. So I'm like, dang it, I should have kept that.
Alrighty. So number 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had confidence interval for the difference in means using independent direct samples, D.
Yeah.
D.
That's what I had put.
I had obtained the balances of 90 bank customers rather than 30.
Yeah, the other ones didn't make any sense. The other ones all did the opposite, didn't they?
Yeah. Well, like originally I put none of the above because I saw C and I'm like, no, that makes it bigger, so then it has to be 90%.
Yeah.
And I see it.
And A would make it bigger also.
Yeah.
Right.
For 6, I got B.
I did not get B for 6.
What did you get, Grant?
So my wife got A and I got B. So I don't know which one.
I got A.
So I put B because 95% is 2 away, so 2 times 2 millimeters is 4.
Well, you have to use a formula, though, to calculate it.
What formula did you use?
X plus and minus T star times the standard deviation over the square root of n.
Yeah.
And you use that, Grant?
I used Excel, but I may have missed a number because they're so close.
Because when I use the actual formula, I end up getting A. I'll check it again, though.
I think I'm gonna go with yours. I'll see if it changes.
I'm not a fan of using the formulas, but I feel like they're more reliable.
Yeah, for sure. So 4. And the mean, what was the mean? 1,000.
Yeah.
So what was the formula for that one again?
It's x bar plus and minus t star times s over the square root of n. It was the... I don't remember what lesson it's from.
Okay.
And what number do you plug in for T star?
1.96 in this case, because it's a 95% confidence.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, the Excel sheet keeps giving me 996.8, which isn't on there other than 996, but I'm gonna trust. I'll trust your calculations rather than.
Okay, well, because what happens is you have 1,000 plus and minus 1.96, and it's times 2 divided by the square root of 4. So 2 divided by the square root of 4 is just 1.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. We'll go with A.
Okay.
I agree.
Yeah, that makes sense to me too.
7, I didn't get this. Do you use the same formula?
7 is the margin of error formula, and you have to isolate n.
Or if you looked at the review, it gives it under the summary of lesson 11, lesson 10.
Lesson 10?
Yeah. Lesson 10 recap, and at the bottom it's the sample size formula.
Oh.
What's that formula?
N equals z times the standard deviation divided by m, and then all that squared.
Okay, I did it right then. I'm just making sure I isolated it right.
Yeah, I remember doing that the first time. You felt like a boss when you did it. It was like, yes!
You're ready to do more of those?
No.
I did the next week of assignments.
No!
You do a lot more of those.
So what is the z in this case?
Z star?
Yeah.
It's 1.96.
Oh.
That's the only one I have memorized is the 95% one. I don't know the other ones. I have to look them up.
Okay.
It's just that's the most common one, so.
Hopefully. And then the test comes, she's like, what's the 90% confidence interval?
Well, I have it sitting right here, so I'd be good, but.
Yeah.
Write that.
So what did you guys get for number 7 then?
38,416.
That's what I got.
Okay. I need to pull up a calculator.
I did not.
And stop asking you guys.
So the standard deviation over margin of error is squared, and then times that by your z squared, by your z star.
Well, your z star is within the square also. Z star times standard deviation divided by margin of error is all within that squared factor.
I got it. Sweet.
Okay. And then 8 is A. Null is equal to 1250, and then the alternative is less than 1250.
Yeah.
Nine is the p-value is less than alpha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should all be like that. Those questions.
I know. As long as the test is all multiple choice, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Number 10, I put C.
Oh,
What was that?
Number 10, I put C. Is that correct?
10, I had A.
I had A.
I put C because they only have 15 from each set of data. Don't they need 30?
That's
a question.
so if you don't know if it's normal or not, I think you would default to that. You need a large enough sample size, but since they say that it's bell-shaped and there's no outliers, you can trust the data.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then 11. I had Abe.
So did I.
Okay.
Now, what's the type? What are the two differences between type 1 and type 2 again?
Type 1 is incorrect rejection of a true null hypothesis.
So so you reject the null, but it's actually true.
And type 2 is, what was it?
It's when you do accept the null hypothesis, right? And it is true, and it's not true. I don't know. Maybe it's in the
I think that's right.
Yeah, you're
right.
right.
Reject the null hypothesis that is in reality not true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Twelve.
I put D.
D. Yep.
Yeah.
D.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever you reduce one, it always increases the other.
Right. Okay. Okay. That makes sense.
For 13, I put B. Fail.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay.
Because you got your z-score as 0.063, right?
I don't have it written. Let me look.
Okay.
I have the formula written and the numbers put in.
Oh, okay.
What's the formula that you used for this one?
X bar plus and minus z star times sigma over the square root of n.
Oh, yep. That's why I missed it.
I used a different formula for that one. Actually, no.
Can you find?
Did you guys use z-score?
Or did z equals x bar minus mean over standard deviation over square root of n?
What'd you get as your z-score?
Yeah, 0.063 after I put in the 0.05 level of significance.
I got 1.76.
I got 1.56.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's possible. And then is it two-tailed as well?
No, this one's one-tailed.
I forget what it was asking, whether it was equal to or not.
It says the alternative is greater than 1.5. So that's why I'm going with one-tailed. Let's see.
So my p-value, I got a 0.04.
Which would be reject. How'd you solve it, Grant?
So I did 1.53 minus 1.5 divided by, in parentheses, 0.17 divided by the square root of 100. And I got 1.765 was my z-score. Plug that in, take one of the tails, and then my p-value was, where'd it go? 0.0388.
I did the same thing, but I had the middle shaded. So should I have one of the tails shaded?
You should have the right tail shaded.
The right tail because alternative hypothesis is greater than 1.5.
Greater than.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm trying to see though, because I used a different formula than you guys, but.
Yeah, which one did you guys use?
So I think it's your x bar minus mu over the standard deviation divided by the square root of your your sample.
Okay.
They don't give you mu though, so how'd you do that?
Well, it says the mean nicotine content of its cigarettes is 1.5.
Oh. Okay.
So I was assuming that was the mean. Well, it's weird because in the above sentence it gives the mu.
They say mu is not. Yeah.
But then it states that, so I'm like, I was assuming that's what it meant.
So what do you get for your p-value?
0.0388.
So we would reject the H0.
So D. Make sure you put D, not reject the alternative.
Yeah. So the formula was Z equals X bar minus mu over what?
The standard deviation over square root of n.
Okay.
Yeah, because since we have a known standard deviation, we can do it that way.
Yeah.
Mm, 14.
Oh, sorry, really fast. It's D or B?
D.
D.
D
Oh,
is
okay.
dog.
Okay. So we reject it. Because that is less than. Okay.
And 14, I had independent samples.
That's what I had.
It's not paired sample because the male doesn't depend on the female.
No, they can just pick them at random.
Okay.
So A?
No, D.
Oh, D. Oh.
For 15, I put D.
So did I.
Sorry, yeah, D.
Because the brother and sisters are dependent on each other.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
We're on 16, right?
Yeah.
I had B.
So did I.
Yeah, I did too.
Because you don't know the standard deviation.
Yep.
For 17, I have D.
That's what I have.
And 17, D as well. No, 18, sorry.
Yeah. It's like 17 on the sheet, but 18 on the quiz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then 19C.
Yeah, that's what I have. This stuff was like, can you use your program?
Exactly. 20. I have E.
Sorry, what was number 19?
I'd see.
C.
C? Oh, okay.
Wait, we're on 20 now?
Uh-huh.
Did you put E?
Yeah. 21.
Yes.
I put C.
Yep.
Yeah.
2. I put B.
I had D.
Oh.
I had B as well, but since those are pretty close, I'll redo it.
Let's see.
E and D aren't that close, actually.
Yeah,
Like-
they're a factor of 10 off from each other.
Yeah.
So I may have read mine wrong. Let me look. Wrong one.
So my p-value went out to be .00189. That's, yeah, so I put B with Steven.
Mm-hmm.
About the p-value when you use the probability applet, or...
Yeah, the Excel sheet.
Oh, that was using the Excel sheet. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I think I was just a factor of 10 off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty. 23, B.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
24 was, I'm pretty sure, the same from like the homework.
Oh yeah.
That was
Yeah,
like
so-
that was on the test.
We
Test.
we
Was it?
repeat use data a lot.
Yeah.
What'd you put for it? C?
Yeah.
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 25. I put A.
Yeah.
26. I put B.
Yeah.
27. I put B.
Yep.
That one, actually, you got a different answer on the test, though. I do remember that now. Because we used a 95% confidence interval in the test.
Oh, okay.
And so you wouldn't reject it on a 95%, but you do on a 90%.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, I do remember that one.
Yay, 100.
105. We caught each other's mistakes.
All of it.
Caught each other's mistakes, right?
Yeah. Sweet. Good luck on the test, you guys.
Yeah.
You too.
Yep.
It's just tomorrow and Friday, or tomorrow and Saturday, right?
Yeah.
When it's open. Okay.
Thanks,
Alright, see you
guys,
later.
for
Yep.
helping me through it.
Yeah. See you guys.
Yep.
Bye.